Hey everyone, welcome to lecture number 13 of our data structure and algorithm series using C++. Today we will discuss about operations on linked list. Operations. Okay, we already covered what is meant by linked list, type of linked list in lecture number 12. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. That is what they are, how they are, and real world example whether these operations are used. Okay, so the first one, that is insertion. Insertion is adding a new node to a linked list. This can be done in three ways. That the first one is at the beginning, at the end, and at a specific position. For at a beginning, the new node become the new head. Okay, and at the end, the new node is linked after the last one. And about the specific position, just you give the index to the user, then the new node is inserted at a given index. So the real world example for this is like, imagine a playlist of music playlist of your Spotify. When you add a new song, it can be at a start, at the end, or at a specific position that you want to store. Okay, this is meant by the insertion. And about the next one, that is the deletion. It's basic, too basic. Okay, deletion, or we can say delete. It's removing a node from the linked list. Okay, it has again three types: from the beginning, from the end, and from a specific position. From the beginning means remove the first node, and about the end, it's removing the last node. And about the specific position, it's remove an index node from any index that you want to remove from it. Okay, like imagine like to-do list. Okay, when you complete a task, you remove it from the list. This is just like deleting a node in a linked list. Okay, the next one is searching, is finding whether a specific value exists in the linked list or not. Since there is no direct index like an array, we have a traverse node. By using node, we will find it. Okay, so the real world example for this is like a contact list. I will write it here. Contact list in your phone. Okay, that is your phone scan through name one by one until it's find the right. Okay, I hope you get that. The next one is that is travels. It's mean visiting each node in the list one by one to the read or process data. So let's take a real world example for this. Like imagine scrolling through your Instagram feed. Instagram feed. Okay, and your app goes through each post one from after other, just like linked list traverse. Okay, so this is mean by the traversing, because you are wasting too much time on Instagram reels. I know that. Okay, everyone is wasting the time. The next one is that is reversal, and the last is a changing the order of node in a linked list. Make the last node the first, that is last wala banega first, and then first wala banega last. As simple as that. So real world example for this is like, you take a Uno feature. Okay, it's work by reversing previous action, just like reversing a linked list. Okay, so those are the main operation in a linked list: insertion, deletion, searching, traversing, and reversing. These operations are a backbone of data manipulation in many real world applications. Okay, if you found this video helpful, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe for this YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.